So this is another video that's going to be a Aries season birthday look. So if you're looking for some birthday inspiration in makeup, then you might want to watch this video. I'm gonna start off with Fix Plus per usual. So I'm just gonna moisturize using MAC Studio Moisture Cream. And if you hear that noise, it's my fan because it's hot in my house right now. So that's MAC Studio Moisture Cream, and I just use that to moisturize my hair. It's the e.l.f. Power Grip. I'm gonna use that. This shit is sticky. Don't put too much. I did not need all this cream. One pump would have been fine. I think I squirted two. I'm going to take Benefit Precisely My Brow. To carve out my brows, I'm gonna use my Let's start the eyes. I'm going to use my concealer as my primer, the same one that I just used for my brows. I mean for my primer, you know what I mean, for my eyeshadow base. And I am going to blend this out with this Real Technique brush. And this is called the highlight brush. And then, you know, guys, I set this with my One Size powder or whatever light powder that I can grab at the time. So today I'm using the One Size powder because I don't need the color to be bright or anything. I just need it to be set. Alright, so for my eyeshadow today, I feel like using this Natasha Denona Bronze palette because it's going to give me the brown and the gold that I'm looking for. And this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to grab a brush. We're going to start off with this color right here. So I just realized there's not a darker brown in this eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to take the Juvia's Place Coffee Shop palette and I'm going to take this brown right here. So it's going to go, it's going to go right on the outer corner of the eye. And then I'm going to blend it above my actual crease, just a little bit above it, so that whatever eyeshadow does get into it, it won't be too low. So you kind of want to blend higher, if that makes sense, and let the eyeshadow drop where it's going to be. So you want to do it on the outside, blend it a little bit above that line, and right back into the inner corner. For the inner corner, I just want to stamp the eyeshadow on a little bit, just like how we was doing this. You want to do that here, just so that it can be more pigmented in those two areas, and then like a wash of the color in the middle, if that makes sense. Just like that. And you should have a halo eye. Just make sure you take your time when you're blending so that everything can be seamless, no harsh lines. You also want to grab the brush that you used to put the brown and go right on top of where you just put the halo at, and just marry those two colors together. That's why this one is called the transition color, because you want the dark color to transition into the lighter color. But you also want to make sure they're blended together. And I got a little eyeshadow right here, but it doesn't matter. And you just basically do the same thing. If you want it to be darker, you can use this time to take like a smaller brush, like a pencil brush or something, which I can't find. You want to take something small like this and then like dig into a black or a darker brown, but I'm good with how my eye is right now. And yeah, so that's how it should look with the little pocket in the middle. Alright, so I have my lashes on now. We're moving on to face. We're going to use Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Foundation for the face. I really need to start color correcting because the shadow around my mouth is getting crazy. And right here, I've been rubbing my eyes because it is allergy season. So I'm starting to get little dark marks under my eyes. That's not cool. So I just put one pump on today. I usually do 1.5, but we'll see. Alright, for concealer, I'm going to use my usual Born This Way. I'm going to use Born This Way, and I'm going to use Hourglass. The Hourglass shade is Maple. And, you know, this is Butterscotch, this is Golden Beige. So, my three amigas. For liquid blush, you know, these are my faves. I'm trying to think of what lip I want to do. I'm gonna mix these, right? So this is peach, what? So this is Peach Rose from Juvia's Place, and this is, you know, Joy from Rare Beauty. I need to give me some more liquid blush because I use the same thing over and over again. But these are like the staple colors. Like, what else would I use? So I'm setting my under eye one eye at a time with C4 powder from MAC. And I also set all of the other places that I use highlight at. And I'm just going to use my one size powder in the shade Sweet Honey. For blush, I just used Sweet Brown by Marina Beauty. And now we're going to dust off the under eye bake with my Jaclyn Cosmetics, per usual. And then we're gonna do the under eye. Well, I should have did the under eye first. I wasn't thinking. Okay. For the under eye, I'm just gonna take those dark browns. So I'm gonna take these two browns for my under eye. Exactly how I want it. I'm gonna spray my face with some Fix Plus. I'm gonna drown myself with Fix Plus, and then I'm going to spray my Super Fix on top. And now for lips, I'm gonna take SKKN by Kim, and I'm also gonna take SKKN, what's that, Nude 3? Let's see.